How do state data privacy laws influence US AI policy? Imagine trying to build a city without any rules for how buildings should be constructed or how roads are laid out. That's kind of what the US faces with artificial intelligence regulation right now. Since the federal government has not yet set comprehensive rules, states have stepped up to fill the gap. Their laws are shaping how AI is developed, used, and controlled across the country. Many states have created their own privacy laws that set basic rules for handling personal data. 19 states have laws that restrict how companies can use algorithms that make decisions about people. These laws treat AI systems as tools that process personal information and requiring companies to follow privacy standards. Even though these laws weren't originally made for AI, they still influence how AI systems operate. California is leading the way with several laws that go beyond simple privacy rules. The California Artificial Intelligence Transparency Act, for example, requires companies to disclose when AI is used to generate content. The Generative Artificial Intelligence Training Data Transparency Act asks companies to reveal where their training data comes from. These laws are set to start in 2026 and are already inspiring other states to follow suit. Colorado has focused on fairness with its Artificial Intelligence Act. It targets AI systems that make important decisions about people. The law aims to prevent unfair treatment by requiring AI developers to follow data protection rules and address bias. This links privacy laws directly to fairness and discrimination concerns. Utah has taken a different route by requiring companies to tell consumers when they are interacting with AI. The Utah Artificial Intelligence Policy Act applies mainly to services in regulated professions. If a person is talking to AI instead of a human, companies must disclose this. The law also limits disclosures to situations involving health, financial, or biometric data. These state laws are influencing federal policy in several ways. When states create their own rules, it makes it harder for the federal government to step in and stop them. In 2025, the US Senate decided not to pause state AI regulation, showing that states will keep making their own rules. State laws are also shaping what future federal laws might look like. Maryland adopted a data minimization approach, which means collecting only what is necessary. This mirrors the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, standards. It shows how states are pushing for stricter rules on data collection and transparency. Across many states, common themes are emerging. They want companies to be clear about when AI is used, what data trains the AI, and how decisions are made. There are also rules to prevent bias and protect personal data. These laws are creating a patchwork of regulations that companies must follow, but they also set a de facto national standard. Because the federal government has not yet created a full set of AI rules, state laws are now the main framework guiding AI development in the US. Large states like California and Maryland are leading the way, and their rules are influencing national conversations. Companies must now navigate different state requirements for privacy, fairness, and transparency. Looking ahead, it's clear that state data privacy laws will keep shaping US AI policy. Federal lawmakers will likely respond to these state rules rather than lead the way. Any future federal laws will need to consider the protections already in place at the state level. So, in many ways, state laws are not just influencing AI policy. They are building the foundation for how AI will be regulated across the entire country.